That night, Paris stood as a silent witness as Kim Taehyung chose to stop gazing at the magnificent fireworks of the Eiffel Tower, all to look at the only world he has, Jungkook. This Instagram post makes us all realize that love must be published so everyone knows Jungkook belongs to Taehyung. Rather, it is a brave and mature proclamation of love from a couple in the modern era. Through Taehyung's lingering gaze and Jungkook's calm smile, they aren't seeking validation, but are instead firmly showing a real romantic relationship without needing many words. This short video clip is absolute proof that amidst the roaring spotlight of the world, they have won their most sacred and intimate space together. An elegant display of courage that instantly tears down every barrier, confirming that their love is fully ready to face the outside world. And as usual, J-Hope was right there between this couple, taking the photo of the two of them. Taekook forever. Hello Army and everyone who just joined. Hope you're all doing well and staying healthy. Let's jump straight into today's video topic. Welcome back to VKook. The virtual world was suddenly sent into a frenzy after Kim Taehyung shared a new post on his personal Instagram account, immediately capturing the attention of millions of eyes across the globe. Far from just an aesthetic photo or an ordinary cityscape, this time he successfully caused a public stir by showing off a very sweet and warm moment spent together with Jungkook. The post instantly triggered a wave of speculation and extraordinary enthusiasm from fans who have long admired the emotional closeness between these two megastars. In the short video clip shared, the two could be seen enjoying a beautiful and intimate night in Paris, with the majestic Eiffel Tower standing tall in the background, bathed in golden light. The atmosphere that night felt even more magical and romantic as the Parisian sky happened to be adorned with a dazzling, colorful fireworks display. The beautiful flashes of light across the night sky seemed like the perfect decoration, seemingly conjured just to complete the special moment they spent together. However, the main focus of netizens was certainly not just on the beauty of the Eiffel Tower or the sparkling fireworks echoing in the sky. Instead, everyone's attention was drawn to the interaction between Taehyung and Jungkook as they sat very close to each other that night. The atmosphere radiating from the video felt entirely different, going far beyond the dynamics of an ordinary friendship often seen in front of the public eye. Taehyung, who appeared in a casual yet charming style that night wearing a sleeveless shirt and a backward cap, looked completely lost in the moment. Instead of focusing on the beautiful bursts of fireworks in the sky, he was caught on camera repeatedly glancing to his side. His gaze was deep, lingering, and filled with a visible spark of affection, clearly directed solely at Jungkook, who was right next to him. A subtle yet genuine sweet smile never left Taehyung's face throughout the short video, showing just how much he enjoyed the presence of his love. Meanwhile, Jungkook, looking casual in a clean white t-shirt, also appeared incredibly calm and exuded immense comfort near Taehyung. Every now and then, Jungkook returned the gaze with a soft smile, seemingly confirming the incredibly strong bond shared between them. The physical closeness they displayed in the video truly radiated a strong aura of romance, much like a couple madly in love in the most romantic city in the world. There was no awkwardness or distance. There was only the pure comfort of two people who belonged to each other amidst the bustling Paris night. The small, natural gestures in the video served as a strong indication that their relationship had moved to a much more intimate and meaningful level. Without needing any long or convoluted captions, Taehyung's Instagram post was instantly showered with millions of likes within seconds of its publication. The comment section of his personal account was immediately flooded with hundreds of thousands of responses from netizens expressing their immense shock and joy. Many saw the decision to upload this video as a brave and sweet way for the two of them to slowly begin revealing their romantic relationship to the public. Other social media platforms like Twitter and TikTok were also quickly filled with screenshots and deep analyses from fans dissecting every second of interaction in the video. Many netizens agreed that the way Taehyung looked at Jungkook was the kind of gaze that is impossible to fake, one belonging only to someone deeply and utterly in love. The warmth emanating from the short, few-second video was deemed capable of telling a million stories about their feelings. For most fans, seeing their idols smile freely and enjoy their private time as a happy couple was an incredibly heartwarming sight. They felt that this Paris moment was real proof of all the sweet speculations that had long circulated within the creative community of their fans. Congratulations, well wishes, and moral support continue to pour in endlessly from all corners of the world for the happiness of their relationship. To this day, Taehyung's Instagram post continues to top the list of the most talked about topics globally on the internet. This sensation proves just how immense the influence and appeal of this pair are, with their every move always managing to captivate public attention. This shared moment under the Parisian night sky is sure to become one of the most iconic and historic memories that everyone will remember. In the end, the romantic video set against the backdrop of the Eiffel Tower and fireworks seemed like a beautiful conclusion, as well as a brand new chapter for Taehyung and Jungkook's romance. Amidst the glitz of the entertainment industry and their busy schedules, the two managed to find a quiet, small space to share love and happiness with each other. The beauty of the relationship they showed off that night will remain a hot topic, filled with admiration and love from the millions of eyes watching it. The uproar caused by Kim Taehyung's Instagram post that night in Paris actually transcends the mere mass hysteria of global pop culture fans. If we look deeper, the short video clip under the glittering fireworks of the Eiffel Tower is a powerful statement about how love is approached in the modern era. As two global icons whose every move is scrutinized by millions, the decision to share such an intimate moment was no careless accident. It was a conscious choice, a quiet yet firm act of courage by a couple who refused to keep hiding behind the shadows of formal. In an era where celebrity romance is often filled with publicity stunts or manufactured drama, designed to maintain popularity, what Taehyung and Jungkook showed stands in stark contrast. There was no stiff official announcement, no written agency clarifications on white paper, and no over-the-top effort to prove anything to the world. Their courage did not come in the form of explosive, controversial statements, but rather in the stillness of a private moment elegantly shared. They redefined what it means to go public in the digital age in a highly mature way, letting their natural warmth speak for itself without needing validation from anyone. The maturity of their relationship is reflected most strongly through the small gestures captured in the video, which, upon closer inspection, hold an incredible depth of emotion. Taehyung's gaze, which never wavered from Jungkook, even while the Parisian sky was adorned with the most magnificent fireworks display, showed exactly where his entire focus and world lay that night. For a mature man, such a gaze is no longer just a fleeting, childish expression of admiration, but a reflection of a sense of belonging, deep comfort, and immense pride in the person by his side. On the other hand, Jungkook's response also showed an equal level of emotional maturity in this relationship. His highly relaxed body language, the way he sat so close with no distance between them, and the gentle smile he offered back in return for Taehyung's gaze, radiated a deeply mature mutual trust. There was none of the pretense or awkwardness that typically arises when two public figures are aware of cameras around them. Jungkook's calmness was a form of full acceptance of their relationship, an indication that they were done with doubts and ready to face the outside world together as one. Through these subtle gestures, Taehyung and Jungkook seem to be teaching the world how to preserve a sacred space for personal feelings amidst a bustling entertainment industry that often exploits privacy. They chose not to dramatize their relationship, but instead presented it as something organic, real, and deeply human. This step shows that their love has grown into an independent relationship, whose foundation is no longer shaken by public expectations or external pressures. Under the Parisian night sky, they proved that the greatest courage in modern love is not about how loudly you shout to the world, but about how boldly you show genuine happiness with the one you love, just as you are. Leave your positive comments here. The best comment will be pinned as a way to honor their love. Thank you to everyone who continues to support this channel. May God reward all of your kindness. This video reflects my personal opinion and interpretation. It is made for entertainment purposes only and does not represent confirmed facts.